First graders, welcome to our Thursday of reading groups. Okay, we're going to go through some of our sight words that we're going to be working on next week. Okay, so my word is door, like we have a door in our classroom. Old, I am very old. Want, I want that. More, give me more. Okay, so the word is door. Old, want, more. Your turn. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. Spell it. Say it again. This one. Say it. Spell it. Say it again. Say it. Spell it. Say it again. And our last one. Say it. Spell it. Say it again. So one more time. Those words were door, old, want, more. Okay, on our next page, when I put my finger next to each sight word, I want you to think about it. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. Okay, so those ones were door, old, want, more. Try this row. Okay, so those ones were more, door, want, old. Read this row. When I slide my finger under, tell me the word. Okay, so it's done, paper, were, great. Last row. Okay, so those ones were soon, work, laugh, talk. Okay, next up we have our sounds for this week and a new sound that we're going to be working on next week. Okay, so first up, my card is ocean, sound O, spelling O, sound O, spelling O, consonant E, sound O, spelling O-A, sound O, spelling O-W. Okay, your turn. Card, sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling. Okay, card is acorn, sound A, spelling A, consonant E, sound A, spelling A-I, sound A, spelling A-Y at the end. Your turn. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling at the, okay, my card is eagle, sound E, spelling E, sound E, spelling E, consonant E, sound E, spelling E-E, sound E, spelling E-A. Your turn. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling, sound, spelling. And my last one, we're going to practice this sound down here. Okay, so my card is elephant. We know E by itself will say the eh sound, but sometimes EA, now here's where it gets tricky. Sometimes EA says E, like on my eagle card, but sometimes EA will say eh, like on my elephant card. It will say eh, like in the word bread, okay? So E sometimes in the middle of a word will say the eh sound, okay? So my card is elephant, sound eh, spelling E, sound eh, spelling EA. Your turn. My card is sound, spelling, sound, spelling. All right, so let's do some of those sounds on here. When I point to it, you tell me the sound. So this one has two sounds now. It has my short sound, which is eh, and my long sound, which is E. So try it. Short sound, long sound. Okay, one sound, sound, sound. So eh or E, O, A, O. Try this row. So those ones were E, A, I, O. Try this row. The short sound says, and the long sound says, and this one has two sounds, or, okay, so A, eh, or E, A, U, or oo. Try this row. This one has the short sound, which says, and the long sound, which says, okay, so O, E, O, and it's eh or E. All right, let's look at a couple of our contractions again, okay? So you plus are equals your. You read it. Okay. Next contraction. You plus have equals you've. You read it for me. Okay. Next one. We plus have equals we've. You read it for me. Okay. And then our last contraction for today. I plus have equals I've. You read it to me. Okay, and let's read some of those contractions on here now. Okay, remember 2 little chunks. My word is okay, so those ones were you've, we're, I've, we've. Try this row. Okay, so those ones were your, you've, they've, your. Okay, next up, we're going to practice some of those sounds that we're going to put together on our board. All right, so for next week, we're also going to practice what we call compound words. A compound word is when we take 2 little words and we put them together to make one long word. Okay, so watch what happens. My first little word is bed. And now my next one is, that E is going to make your I say, so my word is time. So now you put those 2 little words together into one big word and it makes bedtime. Okay, let's try this one. The first little word is sun. And my second little word is set. Okay, now put those 2 words together to make our compound word. The word is sunset. Okay, let's try this one. My first word is bath. My second little word is tub. Now let's put those 2 words together. My word is bathtub. Okay, and then the last one we're going to look at, AI says, so my word is sail is my first word. And my second word is boat. So put those 2 words together. Sailboat. Okay, let's try those again. Ready? When I slide my finger, I want you to think about it. So when I put my finger right here, think about it. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. Okay, so you've got your first word and your second word, and then put them together to make your compound word. Okay, so that one was bedtime. Try this one. And you can always break them up too. You can block it with your finger. Block that first one, block this one, and then put it together. And my word is sunset. Same thing, let's break it. So my word is bathtub. Try this one. Sailboat. Okay, try it again. Okay, now let's try them on this page. Okay, my first one, same word. Okay, so that was bedtime, sunset, bathtub, sailboat. Try this one. Okay, new words. We've got week, day turns it into weekday. This is not a compound word because it's just one word. So we've got EA saying E. So my word is dream. This is a compound word. My first one is bed, side, bedside. And my last one, sleeps. Okay, so you try them. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. Okay, one more time. Okay, so weekday, dream, bedside, sleeps. Okay, same thing on this page. When I put my finger right here, think about it. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. That one was bedtime. Try this one. Sunset. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. Bathtub. Sailboat. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. Weekday. Dream. Two little words. Bedside. Sleeps. Down here, when I slide my finger, tell me the word. Oak. Show. Snow. Okay, same word. We've got that same base word right here, but then we threw that suffix on. So now my word is snowed. Okay, last row. When I slide my finger, tell me the word. Slow. Boat. Goat. And plane. Okay. All right, next up, go ahead and take out your marker board and a marker, and we are going to spell some words today. And we are going to use the long O sound that you can find on your ocean card today to spell our words. Okay, so the first word is oak. Some trees are made out of oak. We're going to use that sound in the word oak. So we've got O-k, oak. Next one, show. I'm going to show you my marker. Show. Sh. O. We're going to use that O sound that pops up at the end. Show. Next one, snow. I hope we don't get any more snow. Got to blend at the beginning. Sn-o. Snow. That O sound is coming up at the end, so we're using this one. Snow. And our last one, we're going to take that same word up top, but turn it into snowed. It snowed last night. Snowed. What is that suffix that means it already happened? Snowed. Okay, so one more time. Oak, show, snow, and snowed. When you have those four words written, come show me. I'll check them, and then I'm going to give you this book called Rex Knows. I want you to read this book 2 times, and then when you're done, you can pick something off of the bookshelf to work on.